YouTube, Mama Rosie here. I'm apologizing for my weird setup today. My tripod and my Bluetooth little clicker thing decided that they did not want to work today. So we are stuck with this little whatever we have going on here. But anyway, I'm going to be unboxing my BoxyCharm October 2021 box. And here is my little flyer. For those of you who like makeup unboxings, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can follow along with me. Sorry my videos are a bit late. I was away for a little bit and my boxes kind of came late, so it's a double-edged sword. And now all this freakiness has happened. But whatever, I promise I'll get a tripod for next month. So October's theme is Spellbound. And the first item in my box is Julep. I think it's Julep. I don't know. Makeup removing towelettes with pore refining witch hazel. So let Mama get her glasses on so she can read to you about this product. So Gillette Makeup Remover Towelettes. Simplify your routine with these 2-in-1 wipes that gently remove makeup and impurities while refining pores and toning skin with witch hazel. Pretty cool. I don't know though. Oh, okay. Glycerin and olive oil. Okay. So suitable for all skin types, especially oily and acne prone. Well, my skin's more of a mature kind of skin because Mama Rosie is a mature kind of woman, you know. I'll try them. If they don't work, my kids will like them. But anyway, and the price on that is $20. Oh, and it's a new launch. That's awesome. It's got to keep this. I will have to keep an eye out for this brand. So the next item in my box is, oh, I like this brand, Tint. A couple of months ago, we got some eye pencils from them. They were really good. Tint Lash and Brow Duo. Okay, so this, I guess, is going to be like one side is your brows, which I'm guessing is the brown. And I guess the black side is mascara. Let's check this out. Oh, wow, this is really cool. Let's see. Ooh, there's the mascara. It looks pretty cool. And what is on the other side? Is it like, let's find out. Oh, okay, so that's really cool. Look at that. I'll check this out. I want to see how it looks. Let me see if I can do it without like knocking my phone down. I'm so upset about that tripod, guys. I was like, ugh. It like literally fell apart and yeah, I wasn't too happy. Oh, that's pretty good. Not bad for a camera. Well, a phone camera that I'm looking into. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh. Feels really comfortable. It doesn't feel like that. You know, sometimes you put stuff on your brows and it's like weird, like gunky. Yeah, that feels pretty good. We'll see how it goes. You know, I was never one to tweeze my eyebrows, and now I'm so grateful that I didn't. Because so many people have had issues from over tweezing their eyebrows, and I'm so grateful I didn't do that. So, Tint Beauty Lash and Brow Duo, and that is $29 is the price. This duo solves the endless search for mascara and brow gel in the abyss of your makeup bag. They must know me well. Oh, goodness. It combines two products in one. The mascara is created with a smooth oil-rich formula with strong color payoff, leaving lashes longer and naturally fuller looking and thicker without clump. The brow gel is fine and creamy with enough color to achieve natural hair-like strokes of color for fuller and well-defined brows. It actually feels really good. Let me see. How is it? Oh, it's not dry yet. But anyway. I'm really looking forward to like trying that all out. But right now I have mascara on, so. And I hope this thing isn't falling down, the camera. So the next item in my box, I chose this specifically. It's the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops from Glow Recipe. I don't know what this does exactly, but I guess I'll find out. Highlighting serum. Okay, let's see. Glow Recipe Watermelon Niacinamide Dewdrops. This highlighting skincare and makeup hybrid. Oh, that's really cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Sorry, that's cool. Visibly brightens skin and delivers an effortless glow while helping reduce hyperpigmentation. The niacinamide-infused serum is formulated without mica, glitter, or pearls. It creates a lightweight, buildable texture that quickly absorbs, making it suitable for all skin types. Use as hydrating, highlighting serum before a moisturizer or as the last step of your routine. Oh, that's pretty exciting. I'm going to check this out. And I don't have anything to break the seal. I'm going to check this out. I'll keep you guys posted on how this is. And the price on this is that $34? $34. That's really good for Glow Recipe. I love their products. Their products are amazing. They really are. I have their avocado retinol serum for nighttime. It's amazing. Winnie, what are you looking at, Papa? Winnie? I don't know what my dog's looking at. Freaking me out. Jelly's Beauty. Ooh, look at this thing. What is this? This is Wing Stamp Eyeliner. Oh, yes. It's a new brand to Boxy. It's worth $22. Now, wings are easier than ever. Yeah, because I suck at wings. I really do. I suck at, like, my eyeliner is never even, ever. It's always like, you know, one side's thicker than the other. One side has a bigger wing than the other. So maybe this can help me out a little bit. That would be really good, wouldn't it? Maybe Mama Rosie can learn to do a little bit better. Let's see. What's this? Okay, so this is what? Oh, okay, so this is the little stampy thing. Look at that. Not that you can see, but. Okay. And there's the little wing stamp. I don't know. And I guess that's really thick for an eyeliner thing. I don't know, guys. I'll try it and I'll keep you posted and let you know how it works out. Don't know. We'll figure it out. I'll check it out. Wow. That's on there. Okay. So I'm very excited about this next item in my box. And I moved, you guys. There you go. Now the reason that my tripod broke, first of all, the little clicker thing that, you know, you click to get your camera going, the Bluetooth thing, the button fell off that. That was the first thing. The second thing, my husband wanted you guys to see my Halloween decorations or whatever, fall, harvest, whatever, blah, 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 blah. And he's like, you should put it on a table and stand up and raise the thing up. And guess what? It broke. So that's what I get for getting my tripod at a discount store. And I won't say which one because, yeah, I like the stuff normally that I get at this place. And I'm so psyched for this next one, guys. The next item in my box is the Ace Beauté Falling For You palette. Oh my God, guys, I was so psyched to get this. Oh yeah. Mama Rosie's an eyeshadow junkie. I've always been an eyeshadow junkie. Oh my God. Oh my God. Check it out. Look at how oh my God, these colors are absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that. That's beautiful. Oh, I gotta check this one out. Look at that. Look, 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 look. Oh my God, how do they swatch? Okay, guys, that's just going in once. Look at that. That's just once. Oh my God, these colors are gorgeous. Let me try this gold one. Look. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous, guys. This palette is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And this color down here, chestnut. Oh my God, there's a color called pine cone. I love pine cones. When my kids were little, I used to call them pine cones. I'm like, let's go, pine cones. And so the value on this one, the price on this one is $34.99, does it say? Guys, this palette is absolutely gorgeous. So if you don't get it in your box, get it from the drop shop or whatever they're calling add-ons these days. But let me total up my box and I'll be right back. Hold on. Okay, guys, so the value of my base box for October 2021 is $139.99. That's really good for a $25. It only costs $25, so I mean, I made my money back with almost all of these products in the box. My favorite, of course, is the niacinamide drops. We'll see how this goes. And the Ace Beauté palette. I am so excited about this palette. Like I said, if you guys don't get this in your box, definitely get it in the drop shop or whatever they're calling add-ons these days. I don't know. They always got to change stuff on me, and I'm like, why did you have to change the name? Like, just to confuse me? Like, I don't have enough going on in my life. Let's just change the name of stuff just to mess up Rosie. I'm only kidding. Sorry. The world doesn't really revolve around me, but I'm just busting chops. But anyway, thank you guys for joining me today. And as always, stay well, stay rock stars, stay blessed. Mama Rosie loves you. Peace out.